Hey, what's going on, y'all? Happy Thursday, July 4th right now. Hey, about to go do a house wash. Or I got the basic setup right there. Okay, it's all you need, y'all. Basic setup. Okay, nothing crazy if you're just starting out as a side hustle. This is like a side hustle to me, but I implemented it into our lawn care business. So we did get insurance. It's LLC. Okay, so I do lawn care, but also we have customers that they request house washing and concrete surface cleaning for the driveway. So you know what? Let's do it. Okay. So I got a 4 gallon per minute right there. Pressure washer. I got the pressure washer hose, the water hose right there. All right. I got a ladder because I'm gonna have to be getting on the not on the roof though, but like reaching up high to pull down some vines before the house wash. I got me 12.5% SH over there. Okay, I got 2 full 5 gallon jugs, and I got about almost half a jug right there. Okay, all right. I got the pressure washing gun right here. All right, that's my spare. Put over here. I got my bucket of goodies, y'all. I'm gonna be using my just regular handgun. All right, got the J rod on there. I got miscellaneous stuff in here. Okay, like I got oil for the engine just in case. No, pump for the soft wash pump right here. Okay, I use this kind, y'all. So my pump has like a slight leak. You know what I mean? But hey, it's still making money, y'all. Okay, so I just gotta put oil in it every now and then. All right. I'm gonna be downstreaming. Got my, oops, that's my tripod. I got my downstream injector right there. All right. It's a 2.1 downstream injector for a 3 to 5 gallon per minute pressure washer. All right, so I use 12.5% SH, but when it comes out the gun, I just broke my tripod. I just bought it too. Man, let me see that. Can I fix it? Nope, it's broke. All right, hey, I might not be filming. I guess I'm gonna be taking some before and after pictures. But so I use a 2.1 downstream injector right here. Okay, so I downstream 12.5 SH from that gallon jug. I just dropped the stick in there. All right, and then when it comes out the gun, it's about between a 1.2 to 1.5. All right, so that's good enough. Also, it's kind of cold out here. It's like about 50 degrees, so cold weather plays a big part on the SH. All right, it takes longer dwelling time, or you may have to add more SH on there. Okay, on the house. But anyway, let's get to work. I hope you like the setup. What do y'all think, y'all? It's basic, okay? It's basic. That's all you need. I do have a surface cleaner. It's in the garage right now because I'm not using it today. All right. Hey, just take what you have, okay? Just take what you need, okay? Just take what you need, all right? Anyway, y'all, hey, don't forget to cargo strap everything down. I got cargo straps going across. All right, I got the ladder tied down. I got bungee cords wrapped around the jugs. All right. Hey, God bless. See you out there at the house. All right, y'all, I'm here. Already got the water hose ran. I got the pressure washer hose around the house. I'm gonna go and do a video of the house real quick for any damages. So she just wants a basic wash, all right? She's just trying to get the house sold. Move all the furniture off the porch. I'm gonna have to get those little things off. Things you got to keep in mind is painter's tape or bags to cover electrical stuff like that. So I'm gonna have to cover those. Not worried about the porch. All right, I don't see any damages. All the windows, I told her close all the windows. She said okay. All right, so she went to her husband's work, so she get the key so she could move his car off the parking lot. Right there. So I'm gonna work in the back of the house and work on the other side of the house, and then finish over here in the front. All right. Already got the pressure washer hose ran. All right, I don't got my tripod, so I'm gonna be holding my phone. Spectrum guys out here. So she kind of got him on a bad timeline, or me and him. Okay, we can't be out here together for working outside because I could get him wet. It's real windy. Okay, so I'm going to be using the tall reach tip. I'm going to have to switch to the David shooter tip. It's too windy for that J-rod. I'm using an M5 twist. All right, make sure you're iPro. Okay, I forgot to put iPro at the beginning of the video. All right, let's take a look at the house. So I start off in the back because I always start off in the back and I work my way around the front. Okay, so it was real windy, so I had to use a David shooter tip and the M5 twist to fight off the wind. All right, here you go. Forgot to tell you, you do want to wet the windows and all bushes first before you house wash, right? Because SH will stick to the windows and will kill plants. All right, so here's the after the way it looked before. So please leave a comment, tell me what you think. Constructive criticism is highly encouraged. By all means, if you're going to give constructive criticism, give advice. All right, there's people on this video watching to learn. So we're all a team, share the knowledge. I did cover that up with this bag right here. Here's the front. You want to wet the bushes first before you house wash. Here's the other side. It would look better if the sun was out shining on the house to get a good shiny after shot. Here you go, y'all. Soft washing with a pressure washer. Keep your distance, all right, and you won't damage the siding. Well, y'all, tell me what you think. Alright, did you enjoy the video? Leave a comment. Man, I got my brand new sweater. Second time wearing it, all full of SHA. There's a lot of overspray. So I'm gonna actually move that car. She had to go to her husband's job and get the keys to move the car, because that's one thing I want, is for them to call me back and complain, you ruined my paint job. So hey, save yourself a headache, and if it's gonna cost time, but tell them, hey, can you please move the vehicle? If they came with a vehicle, all right, I have to come back, you know what I mean? I do apologize, because dude, I'd rather apologize for having to put the house wash on hold than apologize for ruining their freaking paint job, or whatever else property they may have that's in the way, you know what I'm saying? So hey, tell me what you think. I'm gonna show you the after pictures, you know, at the end of this video. But my phone ran out of battery juice, you know what I mean? So had to stop I stopped filming. All right, I only was able to film like me laying the SH on the house. But other than that, y'all, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think. All right, how would you do this house wash? Talk about iPro safety. I didn't have my iPro on at first. Always wear iPro, y'all, okay? Because sometimes your O-rings may be worn out, and some odd reason they're pointing the gun right here, and you pull the trigger and poof, shoot your eye out. Okay. Always wet the plants, wet the windows first, because that SH will stick. It was 50 degrees out right now. That was the temperature, so the SH still did a good job. All right. So if you're wondering how cold can SH be active, hey, it was 50 degrees today. Okay, other than that, y'all, thank you, God bless. Hey, see you on the next video. Bye.